for no akwa meeting. Say 276 constituencies no. NPP enfa bloggers 44444. No mun blabun kofo na the base na GD no. Omun ble the base na say. Say some no meeting no every.
Yeah. NPP for omun sua de. Na se obetima akwa tenase. Abopo. How person will bring the base down. Adenti and a wo unko tenase. Emma monfa working planner edebe nyane NPP awu NPP agunu. And no ba Asante region how the guys are tilting toward the base any NDC. Na eye poor mabo. But the base no senior akwese a persi na Asante petrol and a kerosene akọ petipiti wura na otweje atu. Ukofa helicopter kwa bedum na elu. The base senior adecha there's a nipa frame people are omo register Ghana for more abrochiri omo register omo twa Ghana for more Ghana. We want to be now me so omo the base no impact ebe. And to omo they will plan. Now they should be surprised and na omo ko plan ade no na ne yate. Mo target the base, but not NDC. And no more party na agunu. Mo target the base. O me do o kwa. I me say the base no, but the yame share the base no. I could do a billion yeah. Me what typical NPP lady be. Mami be. Your friend Hajia Asha Banda. Kumasi your friend be European market. Ya can be pa. Now can NPP as someone or pro or brun ya domoa. Ne Hajia Asha Banda European market. Wajai about the base. One or some NPP because a or made the form of a feeling. Who might be a friend of Pinky or Mansha South. Or no pet. I'm an viewers one there you want to UP and then or register the base. I'm an encore register. Now let's now idea we wait my gunu. Wait my gunu. Minimum be our car so Kwaku you be a drew. If we china drew natural no into open more money or more dear, no more good base. Omugunu. Adecha there's NPP numbers air drop. Na Ghana for you mundi. You nipa mo se mo be chia for ewi achiri. Na nado airco yache. Ene Bawumia your friend Mr. Tuesday. Every Tuesday you may be no we are no yuko akotwa no as if it's a buffer stock see you. A transfer 60Million to the personal council. Chama Wontumi Ejina as in Libya or CICB Ejina as in Libya. Mustafa Hamid, Professor Meya Kofi Sky Trip, a lot of them. The Ghana for who says, "Be almost buffing, almost Chako from Kwabena for." One of there's a certain man like in the Japan the base here. And the dance all say already, the year crowd, you no better. And you know, the base in there, Jano Dum me.
Matisse, Kofabai, they tell me, boy, I was to say. Madam is Uncle Pamano, Ato Forson, office in no Timono, and come in the home. Minia
Anamobia yet to know Anamoa, Ebeboa, the base. Young country at T4 at the form of the base. And Pempi, no se mu to quaya. A do baby, I was a much nipani be quiet. Obi a fish be a standing block. Our mat dear Mopesa Moyano Ambason, or some just any paconede. Okay, now Wontumi move on. Where the new patriotic party are in 2015, I had the then elected chairman, Mr. Paul Afuku, almost suspended. No, elected general secretary, almost suspended. No, as suspended him said the first vice Sammy Crab. And said, any power. And you know, for me, a new movement say, Yabenya Amanphobia, they come in with their own minds. Some come in to make money. Others also are being paid to join the group and later defects. Now, the base, covered by Mr. George Otibunsu, and officer and the power honorable Kenny Mono. yentimi nka sɛ wakɔ election November 4 2023 Owusu asa akɔ 31st January 2026 Owusu ntino yɛma saa ne pa no mfiri ne mu nti or form the base no agada numbers no appeal to honorable Ken amabe lead party no na or started you know Malamisa ayubia in Asante region the last hour be a part of honorable Ken campaign na mamenka 7 chira for na TF4 me na de biana me kasa efa Malamisa na manfo fi se bia metan ai Malamisa ba honorable Ken campaign threats upon threats on enchire obaye beje pick up Jessica Abrochi Forest Forson one chairman ne contribution positive to our honorable Ken campaign in 2023 na Malamisa mon kan ho but she number say nyaye Malamisa be join honorable Ken campaign Ofori woman organizer any kunu aye treasure Malamisa could do matem pasa it go to a point come honorable Ken can say o label as troublemaker but Mr. Tibunsumu and Omoye Sonya She Malamisa a video me na me ka say me upper East Bolega Tap Hotel and I mean video no say I and Omatima quality delegate over 5,000 so mo musika mama boka mama musika omo to information na kwena Oma tutu office ni mo and Mr. Tibunsu na other person mo command 49,490 million. Busa na say oje the members ko mo muhu.
Malamisa.
Yeah, so Malamisa, yeah, so oh. Say yes sir. Oh, a best say campaign and yashe and idea we. I don't start the base. Na obi about the base no pamono. Why don't say he want to lead the party or a leader to the extent say ono ye ku 8 years Mr. Tibunsu. Now here Mr. Tibunsu ne dan wa donate or tesa no. Ne awful plane airco Ghana to other countries airco solicited for Nale ko for the base. Any anamo awutu no. O Malamisa on share ne ade ode aba campaign mu. No akofa ura ya boaten kan se mo ba be ye ku atia Mr. Tibunsu. But am say no. Ya na our record no 2024 ya to abani we all support Allah sa oya osemo group mumusa Malamisa say wono ne members we the members ba na we the members up ono ni members no was many chairman no detect mom ana okọ ro NPP atade so kone ye share NDC die minutes. And the Ebeka some few minutes, days, me ato abandon NPP internal premises. Omo surface is a video no the on our Kennedy said that ended for the campaign. Yes. And then that is a omo per se, omo fuse more information be and more data be omo the call NPP for Kwaku Annan said no. The office in question now mo tuba mo ye adwuma no. Eye me and the Juma I the office in the mammy. The may find your honorable Ken Juma. Men at the Dana Mammy. Nakameda Kido Pamobo. Me and the Dana Mammy. Or the Miami dear first project. You and the man took it back. The best second project was the mammy, a beer, another apartment, crack camp. And I'm doing so Tibunsun that you say Mokochiano and a CCU. And to on my lunch, Mukubi. And see that me cannot crash our Malamisa Moba on our campaign. They brought in nothing. Oh, almost a delegates you have share or delegates. And the NPP delegate, okay, just Omisha Bawumia, Omisha Ban or Baba. Because I'm so about Omisha Keska. And not the sadly we blackmail. You could do that as a office in a CC when I'm financial. Me fucking mom. Now, Omontia, but I'm that Rusia say. I should be part of a group so that I'll report on that. We sign off. Or my meeting they invited, but I'm fan of because my focus was on Honorable Ken winning. Yeah, we and normal circumstance, we are even supposed to inform mine and say, the we honorable Ken project, no, the person the base. My team and next say, oh, the base, can you prove it? But a near my war year no, will be about the now, will be about the now. If it say, or mobile meeting, I'm watching, on it, suppose self-acclaimed general secretary, no, no, and then name call now. One guy, be a friend Eric, but Eric when they already want to say Malami someone. Now when they try to open, I have to lock the office. The man if I'm lock your office, I'm the keys in the day.
It's a Okoloki. Malami's office, and Okoloki no.
And then office, office, I hear the man into the office.
Man.
New office. Yes, new office. Yes.
It's Okoloki no. Yes. Engineer, Poko Pamwami, our locky office. Usha, the base in Kumasa Sentimental, Afina, a dominant Ebana. Afina, a dominant ba, Miss Tibunsu. Nedian say, ye name so almost a conductor, my bravo. Oh, wow. If you're the papa, they can be bought by other political party. The I say, yes, now or Baba for me, chairman, and you papa. If the papa is 6. So you won't even convince Omina. They are not a malam nempe. If I see no pamno, one pen by Bintra. Near the base in Juma. So officer or a popular or what in the party. Now I'm officer. Party theater far away. Even the base, you know, we call us honorable Ken. Name is being linked to the base of NPP joining. Then Ghana, all credibility on that party, or to a cap pro the party. And you should stay back. Na yem yard in a year. Miss me Menkata want to lead anything. So Tibos people are dedicated to lead the group. Na yem koyenim. Ma obia so yem nhyene say oh the base bafo fro no ana ntoko bia nim. But the woman say enkate bon ne ebe frankate pa na se wantuma nyi wo mu a. Mo bedru animu na niam akwa ginsemu. Amount instant here got your point here. Now on Mampeni rollers kwampo no so mo free party the party to win elections. Afoko elected chairman, Kwabena Agyapong elected general secretary. Omo yini sincha. Na nya wo malama. Wo de wadwene ana de nam no. Enti ene say. Mumusane say. Oba campaign ade ade ana nye sika. Na kwa no mofalo kwa jisika o Kennedy Agyapong support ne yantiase ana ekwewi manye we be say ana ebeje adwuma no ana omotimi apenti scenario say as a regional exec obo no abuke na appoint wo ko monye adwuma mo na ye adwuma e dey na mo de baaye e dey na mo de baa regional enye se bia obi no obi ko aye nipa bi efi say they cannot lead the base. They can still be part of the base or ordinary members, but they cannot lead the base. And they say, more position, no. They can come to the meeting, but only the base, no. You don't command anything. But that is the problem. That the opposite will lead. The basic assembly be seen so one detect your way. But the Amanyokusa said, Omomote, Aduba Moko Brand said they didn't have the opportunity to become president. Yeah. And everything is cool. People who came in as intruders, people who came in as informants, and if you're able to identify them, ask them to sit back whilst we move forward. And tinya the body be mo bia nkato oh ana mo ba na say ya na say penche no saa ne ma na ansi a wonko wanim. And to be a register when you're committed. In a maybe I say me so Tibos Ukrano. See who say oh yeah dear the base na or say man trying the base move. The base is bigger than any other person. You be in China the base na move. Base. Yes. A Ghana first and your individual interest. Me yeah say I have to sit back
na the base move me who me impediment there and me the base nko anim na me dog Ghana edo the base I will have to sit back mamu bi owo experience about ye say me ye na me kopema o say me try and change me I have not taken any position in the base
say because they say prepare kwa de wo Michelle who are prepare kwa umpe kano say prepare no
me dey say yeah educated Ghana for reasons also join the base and Mahama can say obey 24-hour economy and they are creating human mabunu or buy no or no one NDC for component ado ahoma so na na do so be join no wanye and they would here na na do abaguye Mustafa Hamid adiska ye cheno chama Wontumi adiska ye cheno buffer stock still another disc channel or says you disc channel so that and this free moon opuni abuga pele wemu and the say they are all the same people. Yes, say funtu funamfu ana denche funamfu omofu ye baako na so minimu twienti omudi omo pre NPP ndisi omo ya be kronsa anu tumi the base ne e de aba the base aba yes ye discipline. Now will be aware indiscipline in your obesia. I also said, and I also Ghana 40 as I said, NPP and this they are the same. Number joining the base. Mahama Wontumi yashi, Wontumi any scammers and jobs. Yame boa 2027. Honorable Ken made the biggest announcement, and he said was started a beer factories. Maku num at the go, but 2027 no double no. Now Baba Chere say me can say me the aburu be yanwa me can say me the bolu do mesi these are the mama ye that million bees are factory na mo nipa be over 7,000 e say me timi the say account nipa do say my employer that then American e bi ni na my youth no anya more confidence in him and then e kan wasem na abaka na me the police abaya juba be employ nipa be ba me say ya President John Dramani Mahama oteso ana Burkina Bay leader say were banded the exportation of tomato or Kwaku Annan. Meanwhile, Kennedy Agyapong had 56,000 of land I was here or the Barbarian tools. These are the kind of leaders I have. And to women also said, me try to do some church which Ghana for what I said. MPP in this, they have nothing to offer. Now, Kasebi in previous. So, Honorable Ken and the as president, there's a regional minister, they are open to 20. You had to say interchange. I don't know Ghana for say why ya dear mother. We Honorable Ken and the president and Kabu by be move tourism at Darko. Yes, say Sebi impediasa. If we are Ajinamo Nimun and I was a kura edimu tenentry. That's Honorable Ken and your president. Ubit Maba fa interchange our 20 say all the promoted tourism. Nemusa Dr. Frank Akwata say Amwako say. Ofri yes ade we nipa kon sika say na generate ade ama Kumasi sika say na generate ade ama oman so o get tourism na nipa ba na translate it into money onye tourism as Honorable Ken ne ba ya kan kwanya oso obedroje lake bosomtwe ICC nice hotels e twon hia ade boat asiso ama nipa akọ tue scan ye musa Dr. Frank Abako ne say ade ya we ya ose mo na baso one Baba Sha Utreska, Amana Dani income at their moment. And so, yeah, Magana Forty, as I said, between NPP and NDC, they only low key politicians. The man with the biggest brain, your Honorable Ken, to go and register with the base, then your numbers, now, call appeal to Honorable Ken, normally lead the base, go online, www.thebasemovement.com, but first can never fail it. Now, we did 15 years, about 2028. Now we do 18 years. True, also true, dear. Kofa oyere bra, kofa mame bra, kofa wafa bra, kofa wafa bra. To tell a friend about the base. These are the messages you preach. Yeah, metna na phobia man. Promote the base. Na matansementi here. I'm working against it because I want to lead. No. Timinia, what? Na aya abdi anamo etu ye aya de be boa the beast.
Fantastic one. Chabula sisi ana twetwe nkomo Sai me say we. And then me wo Kumase the base one of the platforms so. Na ukoto to office ma upamo malam is free hono. And then ja abe Kumase enkofo ni ji ate no. E dey basa.
Boss, the woman say the guy was just a standing block. And I don't want to use the words or a scammer. But look, when he comes to you, how about presenting the case? Yeah, do honorable Ken campaign time. Or man, by year say Asante regional coordinating officer. Omu hiti Kennedy Agyapong. 1 year juma. As on a region for the NNN 9. 1 year juma. Now among the members, Obia don't know what issue. May say those time of Kabro. Almost to back he could have lost. Now, one number one and Owusu no Wontumi nka.
Let me say.
Idea. Yes, Wontumi nka nasem. But other because on Ghana for ye pass him sulasem. Akwa say e mo aduma nyina na omatra say hu say. Akwanya data. Osikichi omo obomo tojo no omo mpe. Na omo ha no afi o mawura. Enti omo koto adoma. Omo de ahoma bu no koto jata ko ne jata na ba na aje kran na mo na dwane. Ana omo didi to akoto adoma na ba. Jata na da hui. Wana de adoma na ekwa akosan ne kum. Enti na omo obia pese nko benya mala misa step aside. But one they take that bold decision. Me say obia ya happy say mala misa have been kicked. What obo numbers ya the base benya from Asante region free ochinako. Because we are corner meeting omo to ye meet. Me say okasa ko atia me so tibonsu. That time okay say before say beto abano. Ye press conference be ewo yene ayi Sheikh Dauda.
Sheikh, yeah.
Ana me so tibunsu esoma me say me nko ye ba bi ebe me nko buku conference hall no ana mi pedo mbeye ne mfa budget mra. Ti makwa akoye madwuma ma ba. Ana me so tibunsu ma na one mala ta mala say me brief no dia akosi. Ana me so tibunsu me brief no me so tibunsu ka say nyina asempa. Na adwuma sei ana opese shaibu ene nko ye ba. If you mala me ya no ma shaibu no ye hwan.
Hey,
kaseti ya misoti bonsu. Okwasi asem. After misoti o mse say me na masuma shaibu, ana shaibu Bible na mra, ebo na mane. Ana wo ba kase kwasi asem. Sa da no oxygen ma dance bi. Oxygen na bu nkodoje epa achew. Se wan kase yi. Na na ma no de parade no ho, ana me deputy chief imam e okukum, me yesi ana ode na. Yes, and to honor no, no manam. That me say, Ghana for we should be bold. Name it to phobia member. Me say phobia member TV, Solid TV, Kumasi online atija Kenjesi TV, and he see a car boom. YouTubers say honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Sammy, Nini. YouTube channel. I'm also subscribed even up to 10K. No, that moon in answer won't come home boom. Now, me leader. Mumusa Mala, Misa say, on a new cool dean, say, Ojula, our pragmatic ladies, and therefore, mom said, the base queens. Oxygen, our group, we will group. I know say moment can group in the from identifiable group. Na me leader. Mumisa only group ni dey say. Yes. Only group ni dey say. One for group you can't empty. But I say Ghana for no money side we. That must also say. Mala me say ni coding dey say. Oh, also me so coding dey say. Amo kwabre. Mo kwa na mo de and double contract. Madam said the coding is say. And you say we are say do about that do otchere do who. And the me ba me question no me body me kind of way and yet me ma onye we and to me on premise on ba me no oh me be wa the 7 minute honorable Ken nam oh no my interest was say Honorable Ken Berry. And thereby, so now thing say, Member Dasso, and not Honorable Ken, or Kwa Yemen, or Kwanya Moch, never Kwa Yemen enough. Until the Sabia say, your path will come out boss or your boss will put a boss, and to 2 million can could now Quisio. So if I'm working with the candidate himself, why should I go and fight you? And I'm in Peter Bay, there said the banter, but I know the men and lose, you know. Or not to say, yeah, this mountain now. Cabos China was a coin DC, extra CPP.
That will say, as I Madam Messiah, permanent free the base, you know. As I want talk about freedom about as a freedom.
I said, I got a young family. Many people would boost a fraud, then in income, then free even the members in the B. The last time I catch also is also a man saying free the chair or more in any way. Let me say it's an office, no. Say, and young me, and I'm the more camera Kwaku Pamom.
Come to me, Pamom.
And some of say, I'm of the office. I'm Pastor Malam is about my office, solid TV studio. And I'll buy it. And I'm in dinner and could be office in the key man. And I'm the spare one, a man who will be a fellow, Nano, Kweku Annan. Who's understand that I miss Otibos who can say, or woman, I know Kweku Annan may part of a movement, what you say. Like you, trace. Medican de Bakuma, or will be a fellow. Not only Francois, Asante Bediatuo organizer 8. Not the Bakuma, and not Kweku Annan, not the Bakuma Malam. So me na mo key three na me chair. TV, fridge, ne I can say conference table. I need by be a the bar. I'm a 60 TV movie be a. Those office in the one chair there. Obey no or bar office on near painted BI buy a light up bob BI. He only came and started operating.
And they Wako Pamala means if you office on a lock no. Now, okay, no, I got to them there.
I couldn't be to them. I don't have interest, me what now, but me interest me say. Who a man for me barbet now by year Juma with a good leader.
What the give like to them?
Maybe interest. Maybe interest me say, let us get people who are dedicated. Or be also a Yukuniati. Me ba na wo nim dia na wo ma me dia ba. They welcome Ubia. Any part bad now there. Now on it, I am what and say elections.
That bulk man. Yeah, what
on pay election. On pay election. Young follow over stamp for instance, a general secretary. Yeah, so you some you boom.
Oh, yeah, boaty, any Malami saying Fracadam.
Yeah, boaty, or Namo, okay. Or say, Mr. Tibus in Niska, oh, Mr. Tibus in a third animal and a pair. We got near Yanni say, dear Kwame Kroma, UGCC for the Koyero, or when the Kwame Kuma by, and almost funny Kwame Kuma no Nam Air Tone, United Good Convention message. Mr. Tibus yes obeto suits and tade and na come up designer shirt amano or the end say be a upper east cotton the base on the base after we always say Mr. Tibus niska now off the same Mr. Tibus are donated or test no ya boat was I feel be a crowd ukru also some of people no if you as you say be who feel for a percent or more as a sa o ma Akoto nkutu abere wiabo ese nipa na o peja o na ba bia do nsem nam o sa asem so tibosu
beni o sa asem tibosu o kwanta cha han o sa asem tibosu
the best abroach for ne say menim so omodo Honorable Ken omodo the base ma me ero ma so no so me abroach for mo na mala me ya Omuna so Malam Isa. Yeti ani ebre. Also almost support you. We man so.
Malam Isa.
No me na koma Malam Isa. We tam skara koma Malam Isa. Ani ye we no threat to omo. And Mr. Jomo, I would never call us. I will boo you can say, God, no more. And I'm saying, I've told you. But Nipani, can't move fish be a Nipano. Yempena said, but me, the first person who be a back campaign, no bois, no way, come no man carrying it. But Obana said, when you're near come, I said, we are Piscaya, dear. No more than Mamma Malamea. Who's a Malamea say? You must all year on you know that smooth.
I'm going to do what office.
Nipano for your bar. No, I or no Naji credits. And I'm assuming a man for her, Masuma man for her, Masuma and Clara.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.